So guys, hello guys. We love you. We are Brighton Phoebe. We shall remind you today and forever. So we have a challenge here today, and mwenye atachekesha mwingine anatumia mwingine 50 bob.
AKA kubonda.
Chwani.
Jam, kasirike alifanya nini?
Yes.
Jam.
Yes.
Okay guys, mimi naanza leo as a boy child, siwezi angusha. Okay. Okay guys, tumeshindwa boy chat foleni nimeangusha. Okay, then watumie pesa. Hii si pesa. Financial ni sawa. Okay, 07
4538
okay.
7757.
Okay, nimetuma chwani. Okay guys, ameconfirmiwa. Mtone ikiwaka, ikiwaka mjua amepata pesa. Asikongi ni sure bet ya. Okay, ime-vibrate. Okay guys, hiyo ni chwani. It's our time.
Yes.
Baby girls.
Baby girls.
Kama tumekaa chwani tarudi. Sio guys eh? Kahivi. Tunaanza one step by step. Okay, tunakama kakacheka. Na mkaangalia kwa kamera vizuri. Huyu hapa cameraman. Ukaangalia vizuri. Angalia vizuri. Amecheka. Ngoja amecheka. Tuani yangu irudi. Guys, I'm the one to go with the 50 bob. Kwa sababu tuna mara mbili. So niko na somo moja. Tuani Richard. 50 bob Richard. Send me the 50 bob.
Okay.
Okay guys, thanks for your time. We appreciate it. Guys, we love you so much. Subscribe to our videos and like and share and comment. Watch now, so exactly. But one more subscribe.
You subscribe and you share and you like the video.
Yeah.
And all those things, and we shall appreciate.
Yes. And God bless you.
God bless you
as
so
we
much.
move with you guys.